Hello, my beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my channel. So, let us talk about how to elevate your wardrobe in 2025. First up is invest in button down shirts. For colors, go for basic colors because we are talking about timeless pieces. It should last some ages. So, the colors like white, black, beige will last you very long. And अगर आप चटक पटक कलर लेंगे like red or एकदम light green, which is good. You should have colors, but here we are building timeless wardrobe. We are elevating our style. So first, you need to start with basic colors. And with button-down shirts, you can dress them up or dress them down. Like for me, I have black, I have khaki green, I also have butter yellow, and I think butter yellow is a very classic color. I do not have white. I want to buy white shirt, but I think I want something that fits my body. And if you're also thinking about doing that, I have an idea. You can get it tailored. If you know someone who is a very good tailor, go and get it tailored. Talking about tailored things, buy a tailored blazer. Again, with blazers, you can dress them up or dress them down. And with blazers as well, I think the three basic colors would be navy blue, black, and white. Like these colors will go with everything. Every lady should have a little black dress, and if that is not your style, or if you are in your later 20s, then you should definitely have a black maxi dress. For the younger girls, little black dress, and for my older fine ladies, you should definitely go for maxi black maxi dress. Like you must have seen like someone wearing black maxi dress. They look so elegant. Like you would not have to put that much effort, but that long silhouette of the dress will just make you look elegant. Black is a very elegant color and it goes for every occasion. If you have a little black dress or a maxi dress, you are good to go because it is a versatile piece for every occasion. Like, let's talk about the little black dress. If you want to go clubbing, put on some jacket and wear heels for the occasion and do your makeup like that, and the dress will look like it was meant for clubbing. But if you are going for dinner, put on some stockings, very cute heels, and maybe put on some pearl necklace, and it will look like that you got it just for dinner. But then if it is a family function, then again stockings and maybe a really cute chain with a pendant and very subtle makeup, and it will look like you meant to buy that dress for that occasion. Like it just makes sense. The next thing that you need to have in your wardrobe is a quality pair of jeans, and there are only two or three colors again that I would recommend. First is light washed or a dark washed jeans, whatever is your preference. I personally like dark washed, so I would go for dark washed jeans, then black and a white. If you have these three, you will be able to pair any top, any blazer, anything with them. So you definitely need to buy that. And do not just like if you know someone who sells really good jeans locally, go for it. But then if you do not have someone, look for it online, look for the reviews, look for what people are talking about and buy those quality jeans like which fit you perfectly. Okay, do not compromise on the size. If it doesn't fit you perfectly, then do not keep it. Like something that you're going to keep for a long time, you should be able to fit in properly. You should be comfortable in that garment. So definitely do not keep them if they do not fit you. And jeans last a long time, so you definitely need to be investing in them. And lastly, you should have a pair of heels or flats that talk about your style, is your statement piece. And again, I will say buy a color that will go with numerous of your wardrobes or maybe entirely. Like you need to have colors that go with other colors. You know what I mean? I have this basic black sling bag and it goes with everything that I have in my wardrobe. I also have the same sling bag in silver color, and I feel that silver goes with everything. And it is that statement piece. Like, I'll be wearing a basic outfit, and by wearing those heels, my outfit will just be elevated. So find something like that. And similarly, I have a cute ballet flat. I don't know what ballet pumps. I don't know what to call them. Like flat bells. Ballets. What are they called? I don't know. But I'll insert a picture. And I feel they are so cute, and I feel that those are the pieces that will elevate my style. But I only got them after I had my black heel or basic flats. But there are three more things which I think you need to do in the year 2025 to elevate your wardrobe. First up is invest in a pair of sunglasses. Look for them, like go to various showrooms in your cities and try on various shades. I haven't found a shade that would good on my face, and my face is like this small, so it is very difficult to find one which will you know make me pop. So that is on my list to do in the year 2025, and if I find one, I will definitely share it with my ladies. The next thing that you need to buy as your accessory is handbag. Again, I do not have that. I am the type of person who is like, अगर मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ तो मैं अपना सामान किसी एक को थमा दूंगी, because I am not that responsible, and I like to be free, like free of everything, and do what I came to do, like enjoy. But I've understood, like, anyone who has the statement bag just elevates the outfit. Down the line, I also understood that I am more responsible than others, and it is by giving my things to others that I lose my things the most amount of time. So definitely invest in bags. Again, go for basic colors like brown. Brown in bags is the, like, I think brown has exudes elegance. So definitely go for brown. If you cannot go for brown, go for black. Definitely. White, I don't know, but I've seen, like, I don't know, but I like white in smaller bags. But in bigger bags, I like brown. Let me know what is your preference. And lastly, invest in timeless jewelry. If you are an independent woman and you do not have many responsibilities in your shoulder, like you do not have to pay bills, then definitely invest some of your money in your jewelry. Like I have this, you know, basic ring, and then I have this diamond ring, and I wear it daily. Like, look at my hand without them. It looks like something is missing. So, and now look when I put them back on. Immediately, it makes a difference. And then I am wearing this basic chain. When I started earning, and I do not have to pay rent, I do not have to pay electricity bill, whatever I earn, I invest in my content creation journey or on myself, and sometimes I gift my loved ones. So I do not have that much responsibility. So all my money goes into jewelry, or some of it I invest in stocks, and that is it. So if you have a little bit of money, do not just waste it somewhere. Collect it, save it, and then buy a piece that will last you lifelong and that you can pass on to the next generation. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you agree with me, if you disagree with me, anything, let me know. And if you think these advices would help someone, or you like them and would like to share it with someone, definitely share, because it will help them and me as well. And I will see you in the next one. That's my dog barking, if you can hear it. He is being made to bathe. I will maybe show you how he looks.
मैं बच्ची को नहलाए